Ever wondered what makes up the tiny world inside you? Let's dive into the animal cell, the building block of life. First, meet the nucleus, the control center holding all the DNA. Next, the mitochondria, the powerhouse generating energy. Don't forget the ribosomes, crafting proteins like a factory, and the cell membrane, the gatekeeper, protecting and regulating. See how these parts work together to keep life thriving? It's a microscopic universe right inside every living creature. Explore more and unlock the secrets of life. Ever wondered what makes an animal cell tick? Let's break it down with the key components. First, the plasma membrane, the gatekeeper of the cell. Next, the cytoplasm, where all the action happens. Then the nucleus, the brain of the operation. Mitochondria, the powerhouse generating energy. Endoplasmic reticulum, the protein factory. Ribosomes, tiny but mighty protein builders. Lysosomes, the cleanup crew of the cell. Golgi Apparatus, the packaging and shipping center. Together, they keep the cell running smoothly. Want to dive deeper into cell biology? Ever wonder what keeps a cell alive and kicking? Meet cytoplasm, the unsung hero of the cell world. Step 1. Think of it as the cell's personal smoothie. It's packed with nutrients, not just empty calories. Step 2. It keeps everything in place, like a cozy home, perfect for all those tiny cell parts to do their thing. Final step, it helps with movement and growth. Boom! Cellular magic happening right under the microscope. Y'all see this? Cytoplasm is the real MVP. Or keep ignoring it. Your choice. Ever wonder how cells keep it all together? Meet the cell membrane, the ultimate gatekeeper. Step 1. It surrounds the cell, keeping everything in place. It's like a bouncer, only letting the right stuff in. Step 2. It communicates with other cells, sending signals. Think of it as the cell's social media feed. Final step. It helps maintain balance, like a tightrope walker. Boom, cell harmony, no drama required. Y'all see this? The cell membrane is the unsung hero. Or ignore it, your choice.
Ever wonder what keeps an animal cell running smoothly? Meet the nucleus, the command center of the cell. Step 1. It houses the DNA, the blueprint of life. Step 2. It controls cell growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Step 3. It sends out instructions to the rest of the cell. Without it, the cell would be lost, like a ship without a captain. So next time you think about cells, remember the nucleus is the real MVP. Y'all see this? The nucleus is the powerhouse of information, or keep ignoring it. Your choice. So I'm supposed to understand the endoplasmic reticulum and its functions? Yeah, that's a challenge. But here's how I break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. No, it's a network of membranes within the cell. We are talking about the cell's factory, not a random structure. Step 2. Remember, it has two types, rough and smooth. Perfect time to think about how they handle proteins and lipids. Final step. Appreciate its role in protein synthesis and detoxification. Boom. Cellular function explained, no PhD required. Y'all see this? Use code BIOLOGY20 for a nice discount on learning materials, or keep struggling, your choice. So I'm supposed to understand mitochondria and have energy? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I fake it in 3 steps. Step 1. Start with understanding it's the powerhouse of the cell. We are energizing, not just memorizing facts. Step 2. Let that knowledge sink in for 30 seconds. Perfect time for overthinking all your life choices. Final step. Appreciate how it fuels your body like you actually care. Boom. Instant energy. No effort required. Y'all see this? Use code ENERGY20 for a nice boost, or keep struggling, your choice.
Ever wonder how your cells stay clean and organized? Meet the lysosome, your cell's very own cleanup crew. Step 1. It engulfs waste and worn-out cell parts. Step 2. Enzymes break down the waste into reusable materials. Final step. The cell recycles these materials to stay healthy. Lysosomes are like tiny recycling centers inside you. So next time you think about cleaning, thank your lysosomes. So I'm supposed to understand Golgi bodies and have a social life? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I remember it in 3 steps. Step 1. Think of them as the cell's post office, packaging proteins. We are organizing, not just stacking boxes. Step 2. Picture them modifying proteins like a chef perfecting a dish. Perfect time for imagining yourself as a cell biologist. Final step. Remember, they send proteins to their final destination. Boom. Instant understanding. No effort required. Y'all see this? Use code LEARN20 for a nice discount. Or keep struggling. Your choice. Animal cells are the unsung heroes of life, performing essential functions every day. From metabolism to protein synthesis, they convert energy and build what we need. Cell signaling keeps communication open, while movement powers our muscles. They respond to stimuli, grow, and maintain homeostasis, keeping us balanced. Specialized cells like neurons and muscle cells have unique roles. Together, they ensure our survival and well-being. Want to dive deeper into the fascinating world of cell biology?